All right, we are live right now. We're going to be analyzing the stock market and your favorite stocks. Let me just quickly share the link. Okay, let's go to the charts. So there's about 20 minutes left until the markets open. And right now, we're going to be viewing some stocks that we, generally speaking, analyze. We talk about Tesla, NIO, and Palantir, many others. Just give me a brief second. All right. Just waiting for everybody to get into this live stream. Hold on, guys. Welcome, Fahad and Makaya. Welcome to the live stream. Make sure you hit the thumbs up so everybody get this live stream in their recommended. Oh, apparently, yeah, somebody just said that they raised the target on Apple. Just give me 1 second. Oh, I've got a runny nose right now, so. Really annoying. So I'm just briefly going to check if everything is fine with the live stream currently. Yo, morning, Najif. Welcome. I think a lot of people are currently watching the Palantir and Tesla video, which is going to be fine. We're probably going to be checking out... I want to check NIO, right? What's happening with NIO at this moment? Yeah, it's not really doing well. Let's just say that. It's just like we said, probably a downturn before it goes anywhere. Like Tesla's up huge, but NIO's down, so that's interesting. Like we said, we're gonna cover the S&P. If we can find a ticker that is... I guess this one is fine. Yeah, okay, so we're going to cover the SPY and QQQ. We're going to analyze them both. We're going to look at some stocks as well. Let me check the live stream real quick. See if everything is fine. Yo, good morning, Giant Pie. Good morning. Good morning to everybody. I think what we're going to do right now is most likely just draw a trend line real quick. Not this one. Hold on. Let's get an idea of where things are heading. Could this be it? Well, it could very well be the case that we're going to be going upwards quite significantly after that. But we'll see. I think there is quite a chance that this is actually the point in time where we bounce off. So we go upwards to the 370, to the 380, which, you know, this is the S&P 500. We're taking a look at the stock market. I kind of want to know where things are heading. And it does look like we're getting some consolidation around this level. Yeah, so we could be bottoming out here and then move up quite significantly to the upside. Which could be, yeah, I mean, why not? So in general, I think, yeah, so on the 4 hours, we are looking bearish. But I would say I don't think it's going to be as bearish as people might think. On the daily, we're looking still quite solid. MACD is not falling or anything. RSI still got room left to go to the overbought. We can see that once we were at near the overbought, we could still like rally another 10%, right? And this could happen again. So I'm expecting like a surge, a huge surge to the upside. Something that we've seen previously. Just surge to the upside and then come back down again. That would be very likely. It would be like a Christmas rally. Let's just say that. Checking the comments. Morning, everybody. How are you feeling? I'm feeling okay. The cough is like... I'm not coughing as much anymore, which is nice. But yeah, I think for now the S&P is looking fine. I want to see what Apple is doing. Apple sitting at 117. Nice. Yeah, I definitely think that Apple is going to be one of those stocks. Nobody will expect it to just run rapidly to the upside, but I think it will. And the RSI is going to move just like that. I think Apple's going to look very solid. We've been saying this ever since it bottomed out at the 108. Now, what's Amazon doing? Yeah, I think Amazon's looking fine too. Tesla. Tesla's still sitting at $602. Let me just refresh. Yeah. So, that is nice. It's very great. AMD. I think AMD is going to run up as well. I think there's a good shot that this... it's not doing anything in the pre-market, but I think there's a good shot or good chance that AMD is going to run up really, really significantly. Probably... But there's also a probability that it's going to go sideways, consolidate, and then run up. And then consolidate and go up again. Before we see another correction. So I'm expecting that for AMD. I think we're halfway there. We had a run up from 73, I believe, until 87. Well, halfway. I think there's way more bullishness to come for AMD stock. Now we got a similar kind of. Generally speaking, we have big run-ups and then big corrections, consolidation and then slow rallies, correction, and a very big run-up again, correction, consolidation, and then gradually go up. So it's like, hold on. Could it be the case that we see something like this? I mean, something like this. Maybe, I don't know. This would, generally speaking, I don't think so. I think it's going to be way faster than that. Oh, Palantir is down in the pre-market. Oh, nice. Sweet. I think it's a nice buying opportunity, honestly. Anytime Palantir goes down like significantly, ooh, I like that. We did say that it's either going to go up to 30 and then come down or come down right away. So it seems like it's coming down right away. Generally speaking, when this stock corrects, it's like you have the it doesn't do it in one go. It just corrects one time, then it consolidates, and then it does the last correction. I think that's the thing right now. We're seeing the last correction before it runs up significantly. However, if it's bearish, I think it could also come down to the 24, 25. We said this, I think it was in a Friday, I believe, or Thursday, that if it's really bearish, we would seek very nice support at this level. But I don't necessarily see that happening. There are a lot of people that want to buy Palantir stock, literally everybody. So I don't think this will be going that far down for now. I think it will seek support at the 27.3. Yeah, it's already coming back up again. There you go. There you go. Oh, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up if you enjoy the videos and the live streams. It will also really help with recommending this live stream to everybody, so everybody can see this live stream. We got 10 minutes left until the markets are going to be opened. I want to check Alibaba, like somebody said that I should be doing that. Oh, wow. Alibaba going down 3%. I think Alibaba right now is a strong buy. I believe this is a really nice buying opportunity for people that want to get into Alibaba. If the fundamentals are still sound, I think that would be a very great buy. Depending on the fundamentals, right? The fundamentals have to be solid. So that could just gradually recover. And I really like this stock if the government doesn't interfere that much. Good morning. You ready to work? I think you're too late on Tesla. What do you mean? Oh, it's already coming back down. Cool. Yeah, I think I want to check on NIO a little bit. See how NIO is reacting to Tesla falling down. See, NIO is not moving at all. When Tesla went up, NIO didn't move. When Tesla went down, NIO didn't really move. So I would say it's just kind of moving sideways. Just like we said. Consolidate and then come down. Well, obviously, if Tesla starts surging, it's not going to come down. It's going to go up. But it's I'm assuming that Tesla's going to correct. So I want to check Apex real quick. Apex Technology. What is this doing right now? So yeah, a lot of people have asked me to cover this stock. I'll briefly take a look at it, right? Let's just do that. Yeah, we're definitely in the overbought territory. I can pretty much see that happen. It could be that we're gonna fill the gap. I think we're gonna fill the gap with Apex. We're gonna come back down to 14.7, but that's just my opinion, right? It depends, right? Because if there's enough bullish momentum, we'll just keep rallying. But I think given that this is a gap right there, and Apex really, it's an IPO kind of stock, and I would say there's a good probability it's going to correct first before we see another run up. So that would be my opinion on that. I don't know anything about the fundamentals. I think it's like a software as a service company, or like a cloud company. I would say there could be a correction right at open in about 7 minutes maybe, or later on in the day to fill this gap. I want to look at Nikola. I haven't seen Nikola in a while. That is nasty. That is really nasty. Some really bad news came out, I bet. It ran up to $39 and it fell down to 22. That is almost a 50% correction. So yeah, that is just wow. It does see a very strong support here. So I don't know the reason why it fell down, but there was probably news coming out about the stock. Oh, the GM and Nikola deal is off. Oh, baby. That is going to be very bad. That is very bad. I think it's too late to short Nikola at this point. I already went down like 50%. Yeah, Nikola's going to be... Oh, wow. The GM deal is off. Let me check the news real quick. Nikola scraps pickup truck line scaled back. Yeah, okay. This is not really... Nikola's stock plummets after CEO dodges questions on $2 billion GM deal. Uh-oh. GM isn't taking stake in Nikola, but nah. This is done. This is done, guys. I would stay away from Nikola. I mean, I think I remember 2 months ago I did some analysis on Nikola. I said it would surge back to $40, and then based off of fundamentals, it could go anywhere. Well, we surged to 39, so we got real close with that one. But I stopped reviewing Nikola because apparently it's a fraud and the CEO doesn't make any sense. He actually left the company, the Trevor Milton guy. So, yeah, it's a really sketchy. Oh, weird. I'm looking at Apple right now. It seems like Apple's looking quite bullish. Tesla is, I mean, we hit the 600. So our target that we've been saying for Tesla the past 2 months has finally been reached. So, yeah, that's amazing. We said that Tesla would go to $600 ever since it hit that $375 mark bottom. That's approximately $225 to the upside. So, but yeah, I think what's going to be important is, well, the coming 3 minutes, I actually want to look at Tesla because I'm a Tesla fanboy. There we go. This is the 5-minute chart. I'm quite curious what's going to be happening. So it seems like we topped out a little earlier than we expected. But we're going to open, market is going to open in like 2 minutes. We're looking at Tesla stock right now. Just briefly going to check my own stocks. See what my own stocks are doing right now. There's about 3 minutes left until the market opens. So buckle up, everybody. So I was predicting a correction. So let's see if that's actually going to happen. I predicted a correction, right? If it doesn't happen, then we're probably going to search to like really high numbers. Yeah, you probably heard my chair. I'm going to be getting a new chair very soon. Also, for people who don't know who I am, my name is Gara. I analyze your favorite stocks and try to give you the best guidance out there. So if you like my stuff, then make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe, because it would be one hell of a milestone to reach right now. We got about 120 people watching. I think we need about 70 subscribers. So if everybody would tap that subscribe button right now, we would reach 10K. That would be really cool. So make sure you subscribe. You know what? If we hit 10K subscribers, I'm going to get that sweet gaming chair. And then you never hear this chair crack again. So I think it was, yeah, that noise is just awful. Okay, so Tesla's still going up. I expected it to go to approximately 608, 610, 610, and then fall back down. Yeah. Would be quite a big correction, though. Maybe I was a bit over-exaggerating. I mean, it's still possible, but was a bit too conservative. That chair has character, though. Thank you. Okay, so markets are about to open. About, I think, 30 seconds left. So, let's see. Give us some buying opportunities, please. Oh, no, it opened. So the markets are opening, and we're opening, well, basically sideways, kind of. Going down, going up. Is this the sell-off? There's no sell-off. Not yet. 600.35. It's going down. Still going down. Let's see what's going to happen. I think it's not going to correct that much, right? We'll see. Still sitting at that $600. So we reached the 600 in open, or at open. Yeah, let's see what happens. 601. Okay. We're going up now. 602.5. Can we create another all-time high? 603.6. This is an all-time high in the open. So currently creating all-time highs. 605. There we go. Maybe I have to move this a bit. Makes more sense. So 605.7. And we're still going up. 606. Oh my. It just keeps going up. It just does not stop. Oh, 607. Okay, so we're getting to a major resistance point. 607.7. Hold on, guys. Yeah, we're in the overbought zone. So this could be a very strong resistance around this area. But yeah, we hit we hit quite extended valuation. I bet Elon Musk is like looking at his phone like, oh my gosh. I mean, I remember he said it was overvalued at like $400 or something. So that's kind of crazy, right? Is Neo dropping? How is Neo dropping? Yo, you're right. Damn. Yeah, okay, so Neo is dropping right now. Not a whole lot, but it's dropping. Tesla's now dropping as well. 599. Is this the major correction? Could this be the correction? It doesn't seem like it is, though. Everybody's buying Tesla at any kind of dip, so. Let's see what happens next. Checking my own portfolio at this moment. Right now. That's cool. We're still sitting at the 600s. Palantir is staying at the same level at pretty much. There we go. This might be it. This looks like the correction that we've been talking about. So could this keep going? That's the question. We're sitting at 596, 597. RSI is getting neutral, so pulling back now to the upside. It's pulling back again. It's now trading sideways in this range. And yeah, I mean, I think it could go further. But for now, it's going to be pulling back now. Yeah, we said it would reach approximately around 608, 610, then correct. So that basically just happened. We'll see what's up next. I mean, we are at incredible valuations. I mean, look at this. We're just literally skyrocketing. It's only up and up and up for Tesla. So it's very logical that we see a correction at this price point. What's happening with Apple? Okay, so Apple is surging. Like I said, guys, I was very bullish on Apple. You can check the videos out. Apple is surging to the moon. This is just the beginning. It's probably going to correct it a little bit. But Apple is going all the way up. Just like we said, guys. Probably lots of capital going there from thingy. Oh, I'm holding some Apple, so that's really nice. Apple going up. AMD going up. There you go. AMD, I think AMD is sitting at around $89. No way. So, while Tesla is correcting, our prediction was that AMD would go up significantly. Look at that. Look at that. Didn't I tell you guys? You can check the videos out. We predicted AMD is going to surge. Apple is going to surge. Amazon. What's Amazon doing? Amazon is kind of going up 0.5%, but at some point it was up huge. So all the stocks that we cover, we're kind of like predicting their movements. And for Tesla, we said a correction was imminent. Well, there you go. We're already down to $10. So I think another $20 could be happening very soon. So I hope, hold on guys, I think somebody was calling me. Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, still looking kind of bearish right now in the short term. Apple's still sitting at 118. But yeah, I mean, so far the technical analysis has been proven to be very rigid, very nice. It's been very strong. Hold on. I hope you guys appreciate the analysis. If you do, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. There are about 150 people watching right now. If everybody would subscribe right now, then we would reach 10K. So make sure you subscribe right now. I do these live streams and videos every single day for you guys. I would appreciate it if you could like take 2 seconds of your time and just subscribe. Okay, so what's happening right now? We're consolidating on this RSI, I would say. But I don't think it's going to last a very long time. I don't think we'll stay in this range. I think there will be a major correction. You can see this on the 4 hours properly. If it could load. Yeah. Yeah, look at that MACD. MACD's been bullish for so long without any kind of negativity. This is just the beginning of the correction. So I want to look at Apple. Wow, Apple is really surging right now. See this. So basically, I remember when Apple was bottoming out around. At some point, it was sitting at $108, I believe. It was right around here. There it was. Around $107. And guys, Apple's going to surge. It's going to go up super much. So it did. It went up to $122. But that was not what I was talking about. This is just the beginning of a massive surge, in my opinion, to the upside. This will go up quite significantly. It's already going up to the 118.6. And it looks like it's about to move to $19 before seeing any kind of resistance. Only $1.5. I mean, it's still much, you know, because the stock market is going down while Apple is going up significantly. So that's a very big deal. It says a lot about Apple. We had a similar surge at this bottom at the 112. It took us all the way up to the 115. Hold on, guys. Gonna check my notes. So yeah, so far we're okay. There we go. $119 coming up. $119, just like that. The reason this is happening is also mainly because the daily chart. If we take a look at it closely, you can see that Apple is fairly undervalued on the MACD. Look at that. This can surge all the way. This can surge way more than what we've been seeing. This is just the beginning for Apple. This is just the beginning. Let's go back to the 30 minutes. What's Tesla doing? Okay, Tesla's sitting at 598. Still correcting to the downside. We reached 594. Still having a tough time. Wait, hold on. I think I got a message from Amazon. Yeah, I'm buying some products. We'll be having a green screen very soon. So keep that in mind, guys. There's going to be a green screen behind me. We're sitting at 597. Hold on. So yeah, AMD is surging to 89.3. Look at that. It's going up quite significantly. Meanwhile, the stocks that we were bearish on, NEO is coming back down. Palantir is staying at the same level. But NEO is like having a very tough time. So is Tesla. So Apple sitting at quite high valuation. It reached 119.2. I think we might see some consolidation before we go up again. Either we go back to approximately 118.3 or we see some consolidation there. AMD, I think same stuff. We went up to almost $90, right? Remember, we did this analysis in the weekend, the weekly recap, kind of a prediction, right? And we said it would surge to $90, and there you go. And now it's coming back down. It's most likely going to seek support at the 88.5, 88.6. Oh yeah, it's going to be really funny when we have that green screen. Obviously, you're not going to see this closet anymore. Maybe I should put it in the green screen as well. You know, you'll see this closet, but I think it's just not really nice. It's going to be awesome. We're going to get a green screen. We're going to get a pop filter, so you don't hear the pops the whole time, because it pops so much. Yeah. The sound quality is going to go up, let's just say that. And there's many more to come, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tesla sitting at 593. Just like we said, correction, we're going to fill this gap to the 585, probably. I'm gonna put some more Apple. Gonna put some money in Apple and AMD, just in case. Just in case, you know. Tesla's still down at the 594.8. We hit the 591 very briefly. Neo's still coming back down. Very interesting stuff happening here. Is Neo still gonna hit $60? Yeah, I think so. But like we said, right now, didn't we draw this? Yeah, I think we drew this. Yeah, okay, so remember, we said consolidation, then it moved downwards to the 51.5. You could say that this is happening right now, just like that. I'm not very good with time frame, but I think we're going to go down to this support line, and then we're going to bounce heavily to the upside. So, yeah, still seeing the $60 being hit. It's just Tesla's correcting right now, just like we said in the videos. After the correction, we'll be going up a lot. So far, we've been predicting it quite nicely. Apple going up to the 119. Look at that. Also predicted that. We predicted that AMD would go up. And what's happening to Intel? Intel's seeing some positivity, right? So I think Intel's looking quite sweet at the moment too. Amazon is going up. Ooh, Amazon's going down. Okay, so I said that Amazon would surge quite heavily, but it seems like Amazon's going down because of the S&P going down, while Apple is going up. Now, I think I also said that potentially Alphabet could be... Yeah, there we go. Alphabet going down. I said this in the previous live stream, that Alphabet could go down because it's overextended. There was also another really... Oh, yeah, Zoom. Okay, so there we go. I said that Zoom could potentially go to 500 to 525. So we could see potentially this happen and then go down a lot. See a big correction. So that's happening. What's the S&P doing? S&P is coming down to the support level, which is fine. Going back to Tesla. Tesla going down heavily. 591. Guys, I personally believe that this might be a buying opportunity. It's coming down to fill the gap to the 585. Honestly, let's just move this like that. It's it's just correcting. Wait, let me check how many subscribers we got right now. Okay, so guys, we're very close to 10,000 subscribers. And, oh my gosh, 589.7. Do you see that? We're coming down rapidly. So, we need about 50 more subscribers and we hit the 10,000. Make sure you subscribe right now and you'll get good luck with trading. 588. This is the big correction. We're falling to 587. Might want to get in on... Oh my gosh, NEO is falling down with it. I can see it because I'm shorting it right now. $586.4. Are we gonna hit this level? 585? Come on. Maybe. We did say it would bounce around this level, just like that. Is it gonna bounce? It's the 587 now. This was a major correction. It could be that this was it. This was $20, so this could be the bottom. We don't have to necessarily see this happen. This could be the bottom for Tesla, but we'll see. $586.6. Very interesting stuff happening here. Okay, we hit the 585. It's looking like it's gonna go even down more. Let's see what happens next. I think it could be a support, but if we breach it, we're going to go down even further to the 578. Like we said. So, 584. Oh my. This is one hell of a correction. What's happening to NEO? 582. Oh my hell. This is insane. So, it's just... So, okay, so we're correcting... This is not a really... This is half a percentage point. This is not much. We're just correcting what we went up in the pre-market. So I said that usually when we go up significantly in the pre-market, we fill the gap. And now we could see a bounce happen. At any moment, we could see a bounce happen. If it goes down even further, we go in bearish territory. So keep that in mind. Yeah, NEO's down because of Tesla, obviously. Oh wow, we're down so much. Even Palantir is coming down. So Tesla's sitting at the 583. That could be the bottom. There we go. Shooting up now. Hold on, guys. I bought some more AMD. So yeah, I think this could be the bottom. We're bouncing just like we said at the 482 to approximately yeah, I mean, this could be it. This could be it, or we could go another $10 to the downside. We'll see. I think this could be a strong support at this 582 range. Already bouncing to the 589. Look at that. Look how fast. Look at that bounce. So we're now up 0.6%. All right. Looking pretty good. This could be a dead cat bounce, though, so keep that in mind. Could be a dead cat bounce. We'll see. Generally speaking, yeah, this could be definitely be a dead cat bounce. We're at the 590s. Very nice. Alright, so yeah, I think this is just going to keep on going. It's going to try to recover and go back up. So let's just cover Apple. Still sitting at the 119. Very interesting, right? Very nice. Looking pretty sweet. What's Netflix? Netflix is just doing nothing. Very annoying, actually. It could see a potential surge, like a big surge to the upside before anything. Yeah, because the MACD is really low. Generally, at these like low points, we see surges to the upside. So keep that in mind. What is Zoom doing? Yeah, Zoom does look like it's about to break out and then come back down. Because we have earnings coming up, I believe. It could be going up and then down. I don't think there's a bright future for Zoom. Because of Corona going away very soon. Neo stock probably recovering, yeah? Because Tesla just recently went up and then it does look like we could see a big correction to the downside for Zoom. Like this could be like a very big correction, but it's not happening yet. We're still bearish on the 4 hours. Bearish on the 30 minutes, so it's still coming down. Market's 0.3% down. Tesla at the 591, so it's recovering. It's recovering. All right. Nano Dimension. Let me check. Did I draw anything on this? Yeah, I mean, it does look like we could see some more upside. So. on, guys. Yeah, I think if I would buy any stock, it would be Apple stock. I think Apple stock is going to surge so much. It's going to be crazy. It's going to go to $130 and beyond. It's going to go up like a lot. But yeah. Guys, it's almost 4 p.m. for me. Generally speaking, I start wrapping up the stream at 4 p.m. Because I'm going to have to record the videos for the dailies, right? So keep that in mind. Today was a very successful day in terms of our predictions and the analysis. I think everything is going fine so far. Only thing we might be wrong about might be... No, everything is going fine. So that's really great. We're not really wrong at all today, necessarily. Maybe the time frame is a little bit off, but so far everything is looking fine. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the live stream. If you did, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel, because we go live 2 times every day. We also go live before market close. So I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. And honestly, I think you'll benefit from it too, because we share a lot of information in these live streams. And if you get notified, you can get to the live stream right away. On top of that, comment down below which stocks you want me to review, and I'll take a look at it later on. Maybe I'll make a video about one of the stocks. We'll see, right? The videos that are coming up for today will be the Apple, the AMD, the Tesla, the NIO, the Palantir, maybe other stocks. We'll see. But those will definitely be coming out for today for the daily analysis. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this live stream. I'm going to be wrapping things up now. I think Tesla is looking like a sweet buy if it goes below the 590 again. I mean, even at the 590, there's still a lot of upside left. Okay. Hope you have a very nice day. This was the live stream. Lucid Trading out. I'll be seeing you very soon.